Every structure tells a story of precision. Belentino. Structural works, engineered with precision, built with care. Structural works are the invisible backbone of every significant renovation and extension. Getting them right is non-negotiable. Our chartered structural engineers design every intervention to Eurocode standards. Every beam calculated. Every connection engineered. Every foundation assessed. We deliver 10 specialist structural services. Load-bearing wall removal with RSJ and steel beam installation. Structural underpinning and foundation reinforcement. Basement excavation structural works. Chimney breast removal. Party wall agreements. Loft conversion steelwork. Extension foundations. Retaining walls. Crack investigation. And full building control liaison. Steel beam installation is the most visible structural intervention. Every RSJ is sized by a chartered engineer, fabricated to specification, and installed with full supervision. From Padstone calculations to connection details, nothing is left to chance. When foundations need reinforcement, we design and deliver underpinning schemes to BS 8004. Mass concrete, minipile, or beam and base, the methodology is matched to the ground conditions and the structural requirement. At Lethwaite Road in Clapham, our structural scope included full loft steelwork, load-bearing wall removal on 3 levels, new floor joists throughout, and steel-to-timber connections engineered to Eurocode 3. A complete structural transformation behind a beautifully finished home. In Birmingham, we assessed the structural scope across a 3-scheme extension program. Foundation design, steel beam calculations, and building control coordination, delivered to professional standards across multiple sites. Every project is delivered with the complete suite of certifications. Structural Engineers Completion Certificate. Gas Safe CP12 where gas installations are affected. Electrical Installation Certificate and EICR. Building Control Final Sign-Off and Completion Certificate. Chartered Structural Engineers. Eurocode Compliance. Full Building Control Liaison. This is the invisible quality that protects your investment for decades. From Clapham to Birmingham, from steel beams to underpinning, we deliver structural integrity that stands the test of time. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free structural consultation at belentino.com.